in the light of His word. What a glory He sheds on our way. While we do His good will,
Una, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world when Una dey listen to me today. My name now Williams Glory, and I bring Una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional, a daily message book where the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Thursday, 17th October 2024, and our topic today na your spiritual papa. Our memory verse dey for 1 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 15. Because even if 10,000 people can't teach you now about Christ, now only one papa una go see get. Because una don't turn to my pikin when una receive the message about Christ from me. Our Bible reading day for 1 Kings chapter 19 verse 19 to 21, and it talks say, Elijah comot from there, come see Elisha wey Shaphat born dey work with 12 oxen for him farm. He sit down on top one while 11 dey in front. Elijah come remove him old cloth, come use am take cover Elisha body. So Elisha leave him oxen dem come follow Elijah. Then he say, make I go tell my papa and mama bye bye, then I go follow you. Then Elijah answer am, okay, you fit go tell them, but think am well o before you come follow me. Elisha go back, he come collect him own oxen dem, he come kill all of them, come cook them. He cook them finish, come give the meat to people make them chop. So Elisha follow Elijah, come dey help am. Now the message. Many people no dey take the matter of who their papa be serious at all. Some people dey always talk say dem get plenty papa. Those kind people na bastard dem be o, because person no fit get more than one papa. The part wey your spiritual papa go play for your life, e dey very important well. Even though Elijah talk say wetin Elisha and spiritual pikin ask from am hard well, he make sure say God give Elisha double portion of him own spirit. This one dey for 1 Kings chapter 2 verse 9 to 15. Na good example of part wey spiritual papa suppose play for him spiritual pikin destiny be this o. If you talk say you get spiritual papa, you need to do some kind things to take prove am. If you no dey lis ten to your spiritual papa, you no be him true pikin be that o, and you no fit get the things wey you suppose get from am. Another thing be say pikin wey don grow suppose take care of him parents. If you no dey fit give anything, whether na from your service or material things to your spiritual papa, God no go recognize that kind of relationship at all. 2 Kings chapter 3 verse 11 talk say Elisha pour water for Elijah hand. Na wetin make their relationship as papa and pikin dey confirm be that. He even come qualify Elisha to fit get double portion of him papa spirit. One night when I dey do prayer waka, some people meet me. They come ask me make I pray for them. For them not to disturb my prayer, I just tell them, God go bless you now. As I waka go front again, one man wey dey drive bus say pass. Na so he come stop. He carry money wey dey inside him bus, come run meet me. He come give me the money. That time the God bless you wey I talk come from my heart. Although the money no plenty, but e show say I truly be him papa, so he fit get something from me. When Isaac tell Esau make he make food for am, no be because say he dey hungry or he no get means to take feed himself. He dey tell the young man, abeg spoil me so I go fit bless you from my heart. E get some kind blessing wey dey always come from the heart of your papa. Those kind blessing no dey get reversal at all o. We go see this one for Genesis chapter 27 verse 13 to 17. Do wetin go make your spiritual papa wan bless you sotey if you ask wetin even pass the power, you go commit and give God, so God go fit give you. The action wey we go take for this message be say, do something special for your spiritual papa or mama today to take spoil them. I thank una as una listen to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Not a doubt nor a fear, not a sign nor a tear can abide while we trust and obey. to trust and obey.